Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to do sketching in Design Modeler. So this is Design Modeler. So this is tree outline, this is modeling tab, this is sketching tab. Now let's delete this. Okay, now at modeling. So this is graphic window and this is coordinate system, x-axis, z-axis, y-axis, and this is called an isoball. When you select it, you will get into isometric view. So before we do sketching, before we do sketching, we need a base plane. So I'm selecting base plane as X, Y plane, going into sketching tab. Now select this option, look at face or plane or sketch. What this will do is it will make that base plane perpendicular normal to your screen. So first change your unit system from meters to millimeters. So now we are going to draw this one here in Design Modeler. So for that I can use line or polyline. Line is used when you have a single line to draw. Polyline is used when you have multiple lines to draw. So here one thing, whenever you are at a point, so it will be indicated by P. So whenever you are at a construction line, it will be indicated with a C in Design Modeler. So here at P, it's it's indicated by V, means exactly perpendicular. H stands for horizontal. So now I need to close this. Instead of clicking here, what we'll do, we'll come up here and we have open end, close end. What this open end will do, first let me close it. So it just closed here. You see, from here to here, an automatic line has been generated. So this sketching is closed. With open end, you will get something like this. So here I'm open end. So here there is no, it has been, this sketch has open. It is not completely closed. So that's why there is no line here, but we need square. So you can also draw rectangle. You can go with rectangle, but I'm going with polyline, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Now here close end, you will get a rectangle. Now draw dimension, journal, give dimension. See, whenever your sketch is completely constrained, you will get this blue line. So this blue line indicates that your sketch is completely constrained. So now let me just give dimension according to this 40, 50. So this is 40, 40, and this is 50. 50, okay, sorry, 50. Now we have to draw this, an arc of radius 20 mm. So draw. Let's come here. Here we have circle, and here we have arc. You can draw either circle or arc. So let me just go with an arc. So see, whenever you are at a point, you will be indicated by P. So whenever you are at a line or construction line, you are at a you will be indicated by C. So let me draw this C. C, C exact, which means exactly I am at that vertical line. So select. So we have got this. So dimension. Here, as this is an arc, definitely the radius, you will be get a radius. So now let's change that radius of 20 mm, 20 mm. Okay. Now go to modify and trim whatever is unnecessary. So we have achieved this. This is 30 and this is 20. So let's just do that as well. So now here, whenever you are about to give distance between 2 points or 2 edges, select this one, first point, second point. You see L16, that is 30. This is 30 and this must be 20. As so I'm deleting this one, the L16 line, L16. So this must be 20. You see L17, that is 20. That's the reason, without even giving those dimension, our geometry, our sketching is completely constrained. So if you want dimension in this line, you want to display dimension as well, then you can go dimension, in dimension, select display, name as well as value. So if you remove name, you will end up with only dimension numbers. So it's dimension, it's name. So better just keep values. So with this, our first sketch has been completed. So now just let me just draw another sketch.